Think Facebook likes don't matter anymore? Think again. In 2025, likes are still one of the biggest signals that tell Facebook your content is worth showing to more people, and Facebook Reels might be the best way to get them. When a reel gets likes early, Facebook's algorithm reacts fast. It pushes that reel to appear to more people who haven't even seen your content in the past. The more engagement you earn up front, the more visibility your future content gets. A strong set of reels today builds momentum for your next upload. But if engagement drops, your visibility can disappear overnight. Likes keep your reach consistent, your brand recognizable, and your page trusted, both by the algorithm and your audience. Now, let's talk about Facebook Reels and how they give you so many growth opportunities and likes. Short-form videos are dominating the platform. They're quick, visual, and grab attention in seconds. And that's exactly what the algorithm loves. Reels outperform static posts by a huge margin. People are up to 4 times more likely to like, comment, or share a reel. Even better, most reel views come from people who don't already follow you. That means every new video can bring in fresh eyes, new likes, and new followers. Reels also give your brand a chance to show personality. Fun clips, creative ideas, or behind-the-scenes moments make your business feel authentic. And that's what younger audiences respond to. Nearly 35% of female users and 30% of male users watching Reels are between 18 and 24. Another large share falls between 25 and 34, the most active group on Facebook right now. The algorithm boosts Reels higher than almost any other post type. They're featured in the recommended feed, where content can get up to 3 times more engagement. That's huge for small businesses trying to grow without paying for ads. So if you're still posting just photos or text updates, it's time to switch things up. Use tools like CapCut to create short, high-quality reels. Capture attention fast, keep it real, and watch your likes and reach grow naturally. Remember, likes aren't just numbers, they're visibility. And reels are your fastest route to more of them.